Okay, so we just got out of Walgreens, and the funniest thing happened to me while I was at the store. So I was trying to take a video of the teddy bears because I thought they were really cute, and I was complaining on how I didn't have a Valentine's, and then Valentine, and then my phone fell, and it kept recording, and then my sister was like, "Ooh, there's this tall guy, and he's looking at you," and then I turned, and yeah, it was pretty weird, and I felt retarded. So,
Shut yourself, look what happened.
I guess that's destiny.
You didn't even talk to each other.
Huh?
You guys didn't even talk to each other.
And?
You didn't see his face.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
He was a white guy. You can already tell, like,
That
what
face
kind of...
What are you doing?
Oh, so, now, okay, so I bought 2 Hershey's with almonds, and then a whatchamacallit, and I bought a diet soda. Did she put all the chocolates here?
Yeah.
Okay. And I bought some gummy bears for my mama. And my sister is dumb, and she didn't put enough layers of clothing. Because actually, we just read on Yahoo that what?
So this is probably like the biggest snowstorm
Of all time in Colorado. Because in 1912, let me tell you a little bit of history, we had like about 14.2.
Serious soda.
Jinx, you owe me a chocolate. We had about...
I bought it for you, no?
Oh, he's playing the snow again. Why does he keep following us? I hate people, man. Anyway, he just ruined my plans to go jump in the snow. What a jerk.
Coming this way.
See, now he's coming back. What the heck? Is he actually driving?
Hmm?
No, see, he went back. He's flying. I dare you to jump.
Ah, I can. There's like cement under that. Like it's just like that much of
No,
snow.
it's not. See?
It's like that. It's not alive.
Okay, let's jump in the other. We're gonna jump in the snow and make snow angels. Because I'm amazing. Wow. If my sister falls, that's gonna be so funny.
So, what do you want to say?
Mommy, what do you want me to record? So yeah, this is Colorado. I think she was falling.
No, there was a bowl of snow, like in mine too. Like on.
So I think Colorado is really pretty, and the snow is really pretty. But when it's really cold, like it's getting right now, and windy, it's not pretty, and it doesn't feel pretty.
Beautiful. Yeah,
But it is
pretty.
beautiful, actually. Like
this is the temperature.
but it's a cool weather, and it's not as cold as it will get later on. It's only like how many degrees? 30-something? Like 20-something degrees, and it's not cold.
Yeah, it's what it's
Yeah, I'm actually kind of hot. But I feel hot, I'm not hot, I feel hot. Shut up. Don't bring down my self-esteem.
You know, bring down on yourself
Mine
by
don't.
making some.
We're making what? That's what happens to you when you criticize me.
Dumb statement. That you know they're gonna bite you in the butt.
Nothing bites me in the butt. Oh, except that dragon in Mulan. I wish I could get bitten in the butt by him. He was a cutie. But yeah. So, we were in line at Walgreens, and then my sister pressed this thingy. It was like a plush toy.
With the singing.
It was a singing plush toy, but it was laughing, and I started laughing, And then there's a serious guy, and he's a redhead, and I ride the bus with him from time to time, and I think he recognized me, and he laughed at me, and I felt shy, and I blushed.
I bet he recognizes me if I go smoking every once in a while.
Shut up. Ooh, wanna see me do the split? This is gonna be amazing, but let's this guys have fun. Come.
Take a phone.
Follow me, partner.
What is this spell in this? No.
No, because it's water. Snow is water. It's just harder.
But I want to take a picture of myself right now.
Conceited. So, how are we gonna do this? It kind of got snowy. This is gonna be tough. Well, not really. I'm about to cross the street, and she's being left behind. Now I'm gonna record her and how she falls. That girl was just staring at me. What the hell? I just gave her a dirty look. Woo! You can do it! You can do it! Yep, she made it.
Do I need a coffee?
No. I can't wait to get home and eat my chocolate. I love chocolate. That was the best present somebody could give me.
So, you're gonna get me
Especially
coffee.
if it's Ferrero Rocher. Ooh, amazing. I'll make you a coffee at my house. I mean, we could pass a 7-Eleven, but no.
It's a crazy guy.
I know how.
I barely see him anymore.
There's this crazy guy that works at 7-Eleven, and he knows me and my dad, and he starts laughing out of nowhere. It's funny. I think he has a crush on me, because he winks at me. Yeah, but I don't do old guys.
I think that's just his eye twitch.
I know how he twitches, but I call that a crush. In here or in China, it's a crush. When somebody just looks at you and likes you. He likes me and looks at me. But he's bald. I don't like bald guys.
So
I like.
that doesn't mean I have a crush on you.
I hope not. Dumb yo mother.
You're dumb.
But yeah, what do you think about bald guys?
Me?
Yes.
You're gross. But
Well, there's some
cute
exceptions, but for the
bald
most
guys.
part, oh my gosh, like in my sister's keeper, the guy
to
has.
you just like go back at me.
I was calling. Is there a way to the back? No, huh?
Huh? I don't think so.
Espera, Tuca. So there's this guy in my sister's keeper, and he's the partner of the main girl, right? But he has cancer too, so he goes all bald. I know. It's about her. And he's like the perfect boyfriend anybody could have, because he's so caring and he never does bad things to her. Oh, I would love to have a boyfriend like that. That has cancer. Well, not really cancer, but you know, if he's supportive, then I'll do him.
Did you stop it?
No.
Oh.
look at a red nose. Whoa, did it just change? Oh, the flower!
The flower.
But yeah, we're on our way back home. I think we've left it about...
My feet are so cold.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine don't even feel cold.
Huh?
Mine aren't.
It's just my feet.
Wow.
So my
Sucks to be you.
I'm like, okay.
Sorry about your bad luck.